Hey guys, Thomas here with Jaspy's Case Breaks. We have sold out 22-23 Bowman University Inception 4-box break, number 27. Random first letter of the first name. 19 total spots. We have some combinations like N and O, X and L, G and I, E and F. Some letters don't have a player. But it's A through Z, 19 total spots. Chasen Wemby, Stroud, and Caitlin Clark. There's our spreadsheet. There's our dice roll. Here's our list of names. Nancy down to Nicholas, who bought the last 3 spots. Good luck. Nicholas L, because we have 2 Nicholases. So Nicholas L and Nicholas C. Okay. And there's our letters. So let's go ahead and do the dice roll. Big one. 6 and a 5 for 11 times. That's 1. 2. That was 3. That was 4 and that was 5. That was 6. That was 7. That was 8. That was 9. That was 10. Let's double check that dice roll. 6 and a 5 for 11. Final time here. Boom. 11. Chad up to Dan. And now 6 and a 5. 11 times for our letters. 1. That was 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. 11th and final time. Boom. 11. M up to H. So Nicholas with A, Oliver B, Jeff C, Nicholas D, Nicholas L D, Nicholas R, E and F, Bradley G and I, Dan H, Nicholas R with J, Dan K, Chad M, Nicholas L, N and O, Kevin with P, Nancy with R, Aaron with S, Jeff with T and V. There we go. Adam with W, Jeff with X and L, and Nancy with Z. I'm going to pause the video for a couple minutes to open up a trade window if anybody wants to, just for a couple seconds or a couple minutes. And then we will flip the camera, pick our 4 boxes, and rip. So I'll pause the video for a couple minutes here. Alright, we are unpaused. There was no trades. We had some talks, but no done deals. There's everybody's same letter or letters. Boom. Wow, Jeff. I just realized Jeff got C and V. Caitlin Clark, CJ Stroud, and Victor Wembanyama. Good luck, Jeff. So we have 3 stacks of 4. I'm going to roll the dice. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to use that right side. These 2 will be for the next break, so I will post up after we're done ripping. Got our 4 boxes right here of Bowman U Inception. Good luck, guys. Let's see a big auto. Let's see Wemby. Let's see Clark. We'll even see Stroud. Take these. Starting off with Derek Lively. It's a pretty solid one. These look like 100 points. It's going to D and Nicholas. Let's see. I think they're 100 points. Yep. Aiden O'Connell, A and Nicholas. Kelly Ware, K and Dan. Jordan Travis going to J and Nicholas C. Yeah, C. Hendon Hooker. Let's go down here and get Nick Singleton's our first auto. Going to N. N and O, which is Nicholas L. Nicholas L. We could see Z. Not to see Zach Eady. He's a stud. Next auto. It's Khalil Ware. 56 of 99. Going to K. And Dan. And then Hendon Hooker to 99. Going to H and Dan. All right, one box down. Let's get to that next box. We got Josh Downs going to J. Nicholas C. And then we got Marvin Mims going to M and Chad. And then Adam Flagler. Sorry, I couldn't see that. Let's go to the A and Nicholas L. Let's leave up all the firsts. Ty Simpson going to T and Jeff. First auto is going to be Cam Rising. Going to C and Jeff. Sorry, need some more 100 point. Damn, C's a stacked letter. Caitlin Clark, CJ Stroud, Cam Rising. There's probably a couple other names too. All right, next auto is Trayshawn Holden. Going to T and Jeff. And then numbered card is Lauren Betts, 33 of 299. Going to the L spot and Jeff. Jeff just got all the right letters. All right, let's get into that third box. Tyler Buchner going to T and Jeff. Dylan Gabriel going to D and Nicholas L. That's a solid one there. We got Mats. I thought his name was Matisse or something. We're going to the M spot and Chad. Nolan Smith going to N, and Nicholas L. Let's go to our first auto. Chris Livingston, 30 of 75. C and Jeff. C is just absolutely stacked. Hunter Dickinson, H, and Dan. And we got Phil Jukovic, 46 of 199, going to P and Kevin. All right, last box. Starting off with Cam Whitmore. Jeez. C. C is absolutely stacked. My goodness. And we got Grady Dick. G. G and I, that's the Bradley. Then we got Seth Trimble going to S and Aaron. Oh, wow. Then we got Will Anderson going to W and Adam. That's a nice one. How about Mikey Williams, 1 of 5? That's so sick. Who's got M? Chad. Very nice card, Chad. Dude, high school Mikey Williams. Absolutely insane. Then we got a patch auto. Tyler Van Dyke going to the T and Jeff. Sadly, I think Mike Williams, a little bit of a thug, but hopefully he figures it out. Oh, CJ Stroud, 26 of 99. Wow. Last card of the break. CJ Stroud, 26 of 99. Going to C and Jeff. Congrats, Jeff. Beautiful. This is Mikey Williams. Sick. 1 of 5. Beautiful. All right, let's do our quick recap here. Mikey Williams, 1 of 5. Gorgeous. CJ Stroud to 99. Tyler Van Dyke, RPA. Hunter Dickerson. Chris Livingston to 75. Lauren Betts to 299. Trayshawn Holden. Cam Rising. Hendon Hooker to 99. Khalil Ware to 99. Nick Singleton. Derek Lively. I'll just do every card recap, honestly. It's not too many. That's a fun little break. I will post up the next one right now. Appreciate it, guys. That was 22-23 Bowman Inception, University Inception, sorry, 4-box break. Number 27, where you get a random first letter of the first name. Appreciate it, guys. See you in the next video.